Welcome to Hope Inspires 247, the spark that ignites the flames of critical thinking and passionate discourse. I'm your host, CC, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey into the world of politics. In a world filled with turmoil and confusion, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from the issues that shape our lives. But we believe that by coming together, sharing our perspectives, and engaging in meaningful conversations, we can create a brighter, more just future for all. Welcome back to the channel, where we identify and discuss current issues in Jamaica. In today's video, we'll be talking about the groundbreaking progress in which the government has decided to include residents in the decision-making process for the fixing of roads. Stay tuned. Jamaica has taken a groundbreaking step towards inclusive decision-making by involving citizens in the decision-making process for road repairs. For the first time, public consultations were held in constituencies, allowing citizens to share their concerns and identify priority roads. This initiative is a powerful move towards empowering communities and ensuring their voices are heard. The collaboration between the Constituency Development Fund, CDF, the National Works Agency, NWA, local government, and MPs has been instrumental in making this process possible. The results are impressive, with over 600 roads identified for repair. The NWA is currently reviewing the list, and the program is set to begin shortly, starting with St. Andrew Western and Northwest St. Elizabeth. This initiative is a shining example of good governance and community engagement. By putting the power in the hands of the people, Jamaica is taking a significant step towards creating safer, more reliable, and more sustainable road infrastructure. Kindly listen to Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he gives more details regarding this.
And for the first time ever, we introduced public consultation in road selection. Every constituency held a consultation with stakeholders and just average constituents who could come and say, this is my road, I need it fixed. And I want to thank the CDF, Mrs. Campbell Rochester, for the work that was done by that unit in mobilizing and supporting the MPs along with the NWA and local government to ensure that there was a significant level of community participation. And I found it meaningful because as a member of parliament myself, I held my consultation and my constituents came. Some were disagreeable, others were understanding, and others were skeptical. But nonetheless, they came, they expressed their views, and created effectively a list of roads that they would like to see repaired. The notes were taken and fed to the NWA, so there is a listing of roads, over 600 roads. Now, there has to be another process when those roads are finally scoped to say how many of the roads that were suggested could actually be upgraded. And the members of parliament, who are the elected representatives of the people, that's what their job is. They would then have to, if they want to hold other consultations or directly with the NWA, determine the roads that are going to be repaired from the lists that came from the consultations. So that process will begin shortly. In fact, very soon. I gather that certain constituencies have been selected to start. I know mine is on the top of the list. No, mine is no. I'm just kidding. My constituency is not on the list. But I do know that St. Andrew Western which is my neighboring constituency, represented by MP Tony Hilton. He will be the first one in the corporate area. Yes, so he will. So St. Andrew Western will be the first constituency in the corporate area. In rural Jamaica, I believe it is J.C. Hutchinson. That's northwest. That's northwest St. Elizabeth, and then we come back to Kingston to the urban area. Then we would do St. Andrew Northwestern, and then we go back to the rural area, and it would be Manchester Northwestern as well. And then we come back to Kingston, and it would be St. Andrew East Rural. So that is how we intend to kick off the program. After that, obviously, it's all the roads would begin.